Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to perfectly marinate and cook steak. We're going to make a very delicious marinade that is so good on steak. The steak will come out perfectly juicy and delicious. Let's get started. We're using ribeye for this recipe. You can use New York strip. We're going to start by seasoning the steak with salt and black pepper. Make sure you season both sides of the steak. Once the steak has been seasoned, allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. This will enable the salt to penetrate the steak and tenderize it. Once seasoned, we're going to set the steak aside for later. Then we're going to put together a delicious marinade for it. Squeeze the juice of one whole orange into a bowl. Add some olive oil, minced garlic, soy sauce, some chili powder, and dried oregano. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Grab your steak, then place them into a Ziploc bag, then pour the marinade all over it. This is such a great marinade for steak. It adds so much flavor. Move the steak around so the marinade can get onto every single part of the steak. Then you're going to get as much air as you can get out of the Ziploc bag, then close it. Next, you're going to place this in the fridge, then allow the steak to marinate for 6 to 8 hours. That way it can soak in all those delicious flavors. After the steak has marinated, we're going to start cooking. To cook the perfect steak, you need a good cast iron pan. Make sure you have some oil heating up in your pan over medium-high heat. As soon as the oil gets very hot and smoky, go ahead and add the steak. I like my steak medium rare to medium, so I am cooking it for 4 minutes on each side. So in total, I cooked my steak for 8 minutes. No matter how you like your steak, make sure it has at least an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit because that is the safest. Allow the steak to sit for at least 5 minutes before cutting through. I served my steak with roasted potatoes, then I garnished with fresh parsley. The steak came out so juicy and tender. The marinade boosted the flavor and made it extra delicious. The marinade is not only good on steak, it's great on chicken too. So if you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.